What's up, guys? It's been a while. It's a big day. Finally switching up my car. Getting rid of this bad boy that I've had for 11 years now, with almost 140,000 miles on it, and getting something slightly bigger. Let's just say slightly bigger. Just kind of wanted to make this short memory diary entry on YouTube, I guess. Oh yeah, this is I'm trying to post this the day off I record. Probably not gonna be possible, but we can try, you know. And this vlog is gonna be the first one that I post from a Sony camera. Yeah, Sony camera. I don't know what I was checking. I know it's a Sony camera. Not the first one I recorded, because I have recorded I think one other vlog on Sony. I just haven't gotten it out to posting it, but it's gonna be interesting. After this purchase of a different car, this whole channel may take another route, you know, but we'll see.
Wait till you see this vehicle. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Everyone's gonna share, right?
We'll see.
We're very connected to our own cars.
Well, wait till you see this one.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So let me thank you. That was
Yep.
quick. That was good.
Yeah, I added my name with his name.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you for your help.
Yep.
Sorry I called you last minute.
No worries.
I missed it. It's my responsibility.
Yeah, that's why it took a bit longer, because I was trying to get that done. That's why it took.
No, this is perfect.
Kind of late.
I'm gonna make you a copy for the glove box.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. I called you last minute like that.
No worries.
All right, this is good. Thank you.
Mhm.
Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right with you, sir.
All right. Yes, that's what I expected.
Nice.
What did your designer think with the red
sorry?
stripe? What did your designer think? I don't know if she
Loved
got
it.
it. She right?
Loved
It matches. I think
Loved
it just
it.
goes with the
Loved
knob.
it.
Yeah,
Loved it.
it goes with the knob.
She
a
said
lot.
that's the only color to do it with. The red.
It just went
It,
with the
made,
knob.
it pops
yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
It was a good
call. Right.
I should have suggested it. I should have suggested
Should start working here.
it. Yeah. Yes, you should.
That is all for now. I'm gonna do a deeper, I guess, review of this truck after driving it for a couple of months, or maybe earlier, I don't know. But just wanted to show you guys that I finally got rid of my Mustang, and I have a Toyota Tacoma 2022 TRD off-road. Very excited to be driving around in this vehicle. Can't wait for it to snow, so it's gonna be pretty fun being in this big vehicle. So we'll see how the experience goes. I'll see you guys in the next one.